small percentage you I'm building with. I want the credit if I'm losing or I'm winning. On my mama, that's the realest shit.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with another hype box for you guys. This hype box comes to us from Laced Up. I've opened a couple of Laced Up boxes in the past, but I believe this is one of the more expensive ones that I've done. This box is actually $1,000 from Laced Up, and if you guys don't know who Laced Up is, Laced Up actually has 3 shops, 2 in the New York area I believe, and then 1 on the West Coast. Not exactly sure where that one is. Very good company. You guys can check out the boxes that I've opened in the past. This one, like I said, is $1,000, so because it's priced at $1,000, it gives us a unique opportunity. What I'm going to be doing at the end of this video is I'm going to show you guys the contents from this box versus the contents from the Soul Steals box, because both of the prices are exactly the same. So in that respect, you guys can find out, okay, which had the better value. And that's why I open up these boxes, to be honest, is to show you guys, okay, this is what you'll get as a consumer. It's a good snapshot of what you'll get. It's not definitive because it is a mystery box. The items change every single time, but at least you guys have some kind of idea of what is possible from these boxes. So let's take a look at this one and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so first things first, Laced Up actually has like this new branding, I'm guessing, on these boxes, where it says mystery box right on the sides and whatnot. It's kind of cool. All right, so let me put this back over here. As always, it looks like they're starting off with a good amount of box logo stickers. Count 5 right here. Usually we've been getting 10, but 5 is still cool. So I guess we'll start at the top and work our way down. First one comes in a Laced Up bag. I always think that's kind of cool. They put all of their gear inside of their bags that they give out in stores. All right, so this looks like the Supreme backpack from last year's drop. This is not a backpack, my friends. This is a duffel bag. There we go. So the Supreme duffel bag in like that turquoise color. I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of duffels. It does have that nice Supreme branding right here, and we'll have to check on the counter over here how much that value is worth. If you guys are new to the channel, the counter over here is supposed to show you guys competitive market value. Those are the prices you could expect to see these items selling for on like eBay, StockX, Goat, Grailed, all of those kinds of places. And the reason why we put the counter up is to see, okay, is this box worth it? Can you make money off this box? Yeah, because it makes no sense to buy a box where you have no idea what the items are and it costs $1,000. You know, if I was gonna spend $1,000 on stuff, I would just buy it myself, and that's that. But supposedly what's supposed to happen is that you're supposed to have some kind of resale value on these things, so you're getting it at cost. Okay, so that's one item. Let's see what else we got. This one, like I said, is nicely, neatly wrapped up. What is this? Okay, so this is a Supreme shirt. I have no idea. I'm not even gonna guess. Is this black or blue? I can't even tell. I think it's black. Size large. Let's see what the tag says. Lagoon. It's the Lagoon tee. There you go. Okay, cool. They were selling this shirt for $100. I'm guessing the counter is not saying 100 over there. The prices that you're gonna be able to sell it for are usually a lot lower than what a store sells it for. So that's 2 items. Next one out. Okay, I see Supreme tags right there. Size large. Nothing on the fronts. This is kind of cool. I mean, I'm not a big fan of like the gun image, but I like the colors, the Mendini scheme. Those are nice. I remember I had a box logo sticker that had that same Mendini print. Also the skateboards. This one, it's called the Supreme Mendini gun, and they were selling it for $120. So whatever it says over here, again, I'm guessing is not $120. Not bad. I'm guessing the counter isn't going crazy yet, but any item that's Supreme obviously is gonna have good resale value, so there's that. Next up, we got another shirt, it feels like. Okay, another white Supreme shirt. It says Black Sabbath on the front. Okay, right on. This looks like an older one. And then Supreme right across the back. So does this one have a tag on it? This one does not have a tag on it, but yeah, pretty interesting. I don't know what you guys think of this one. I'm not a big fan of this, but like I said, Supreme has value, so that's fine. 3 Supreme shirts so far. I don't know. It's okay so far, I guess. So this is the Nike trail hat that just came out last year as well. So it says Supreme on the back. You can see right there. Also has Supreme branding on the inside tag. So I actually had a blue one of these. These things can't fit my head, unfortunately. I have a huge head, I guess. These things actually do sell for, I think, about like 40, 50 bucks. So it's something. All right, so we got another small item here. Let's see what this one is. All right, so this is the Supreme toothbrush. I'm assuming, I haven't seen this actually before, but this is the free item that they were giving out last season. So that costs like, I don't even know, like 10 bucks or something like that maybe. I don't even know. Okay, so the last, oh shoot. Okay, so I don't know what this is. This looks like a bike pump. What is this? Yeah, whatever this thing is. I don't know if you guys can see that well on screen. It's kind of bright. Let me turn this down real quick. So yeah, I mean, it's wrapped up. It looks like it's DS. I've never seen this thing before. I did not know it was made before. So yeah, we got to check the value on that. I'm assuming it's not very hyped, but it says Supreme. So the last article I have in here looks like a hoodie of some kind. Oh, okay, so it's not even Supreme. This one I think is like their newest item that just dropped. It's the laced up hoodie. You can see laced up. It has like Supreme vibes on here. And then there's like this little dog on the top. That's kind of cool. It's reminiscent of like a Supreme photo tee, so not bad. And it's free. Has no value added to the box. They just give it to you because, yeah, they like to give free stuff. So that's cool. So the last thing in here is a pair of shoes, it looks like. All right, so this looks like a 3 or a 4 box. Jordan 4 Retro, size 10.5. Oh, that's a pretty good shoe actually. This looks to be a dead stock pair of the Jordan 4 Fear. I'm not sure if it's dead stock. There's like some gunk on the bottom. Yeah, this actually might have been tried on, so that would be unfortunate. And definitely would give this box a huge hit to value. The uppers look completely fine though. This shoe does not have that gunk on it. Well, nah, this one looks like it was tried on too. Okay, so that kind of sucks. I don't think this is DS. Okay, so it's a pair of Jordan 4 Fears. I'm gonna go try to check later on if that's DS or not. Obviously the counter over here will indicate if it's DS or if it's been used, so there's that. So let's do what I told you guys earlier. We're gonna compare the two boxes now. We got the laced up box over here and we got the Soul Steals box over here. So we'll talk about the shoes first. In terms of the hype shoe, we can obviously see that the V2 Cream has a lot more value than the Jordan 4 Fear. I'm not even sure if that 4 is DS yet, because again, I have to check it like thoroughly afterwards, but yeah. So Jordan 4 Fear and the Yeezy V2 Cream. Cream, I would say, wins on that one in terms of hype and the ease of movement on selling that item. So we can talk about the accessories next. The accessory that we got in this one is that Supreme Bike Pump. The pump goes for about $240, which I'm not sure. On StockX it says that there's 0 sales right now for it, but that's the lowest ask for it. So $240 for the bike pump. It's not very hyped, and because there was no sales on StockX, it's kind of hard to move. On the flip side, we have the Supreme Bolt Cutter from the Soul Steals box. That one I don't think you can even find on StockX right now, or at least I can't find it. The values are kind of similar. I gotta go check more in depth again, but I think the bike pump, because it looks more DS and because it's wrapped up more neat, probably has a better value there. The bolt cutter didn't have the plastic, so I'm not sure if I could label that as DS. All right, so in terms of the rest of the items, the shirts look pretty comparable. I mean, the candle tee is not going to go for much. The Bape tee is kind of up there, but it's Bape, so it's a little bit harder to move. The Supreme tees on the lace up box aren't very hyped at all. I'm sure all of them will go for about like 70, 80 bucks on average, so that's not the greatest. Supreme Trail Hat, again, not very high value there. And the duffel bag, again, it's not very hyped, but there is pretty decent value on that one. In terms of the other side, the Soul Steals box, we can see that we got the Everlast robes. Obviously a super hype piece, very easy to move, high value, so that's really good. In addition, we also got 2 extra shoes in there, and I've sold both of those already. And I think Ultra Boost went for about 140, and then the Huarache sold for 90, I believe. So that's good value, and that's moved really quick because they were DS shoes, so that's good over there. Just looking at it from face value, obviously I think the better value was right here with the Soul Steals box. Not to take away from the laced up, I mean, there was good stuff in there, but definitely not as hyped, and the ease of movement is not as easy with the laced up box. Yeah, so that concludes the compare and contrast. Again, I want you guys to make your own decisions. I make these videos so you guys can see examples of both boxes and then make your final decision on your own. There's pros and cons obviously for both sites, Soul Steals and for laced up. I'm actually putting together a video now of all the exact pros and cons in general for both. So hopefully, again, that can like sway you guys in one direction or let you know where you'd rather spend your money at. So let me know in the comments below who you think won that battle of the $2,000 boxes, because again, my opinion is one opinion, but you guys have your own opinion as well. So thank you guys again for watching. This has been another hype box opening with Untied Hawaii. Until next time though, I'll see you guys. Stay safe, stay humble, stay blessed. Aloha. Shoots.